Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everyone. We've got a bonus update for you from Talon Preserve on Palmerranch. Something happened on the Sunday before Christmas, December 19th, that just demanded we take to the skies and get you a quick update. We'll quickly pass over Mossy Pine Court, where the second building there has now closed, and you can see the roof on that fifth building is in place. We'll keep going behind Crescent Eagle Lane, where progress continues and another home has closed also. Then we're headed over Talon Preserve Drive to the main circle and the Amenity Center clubhouse beyond. And that brings us to the Amenity Center site with the clubhouse dominating the view. It is in the back of the clubhouse that we'll find the big news. Drum roll, please. They're digging the resort pool behind the clubhouse. Yep, we're all getting a pool soon. We'll take another pass behind the Amenity Center site for another view of the pool forms behind the clubhouse. And you can also see that the last section of clubhouse roof has gone in over the community room. To see the shape of the pool better, we'll go to our now trademark Eagle Eye top-down overhead view for another look at the Amenity Center site. From up here, as we pass over the site and the clubhouse, you can really make out the shape of the resort-style pool going in. As we stop and pan around, I'll overlay the proposed layout of the whole site from the DiVosta website, and you can see that the shape of the pool seems to match closely. As to the size, well, that's hard to really determine. But wait, there's one more thing. Although this won't be a complete flyover, back behind the Amenity Center site, you can see that they have now poured the concrete curbs for a brand new street, Hidden Sawgrass Path. Given this development, we can expect this street to get asphalt in just a matter of weeks, and that means new home sites should become available there sometime soon. I'll overlay a section of the community map from the DiVosta website so you can see where Hidden Sawgrass Path branches off below Talon Preserve Drive. Up ahead is the construction trailer on one lot on Hidden Sawgrass. This serves as HQ for the builder's construction work in the community, separate from the sales center elsewhere. We'll take one last pass over the Amenity Center site from behind and then head over the main circle, up Talon Preserve Drive, and out to the main entrance. And that's all for this quick update today. Thanks for watching. We wish you all a very happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next video.